What's up, guys? Okay, so today I got a question from Chris. Boom! This isn't really a review channel, and I hate doing this stuff like this, but I'm gonna tell you what, I was pretty blown away with what I found. So, this is my new Mavic 3. For those of you wondering, it does have that Hasselblad camera. This thing is stupid good. This thing is incredibly good. Trust me, there's plenty of information as far as like detail specs, blah, blah, blah. He asked me if you could get close enough to see the VIN tag. This Hasselblad, that camera right there, it is insane. This is probably where I'm gonna leave the video. I just kind of thought it was pretty cool, actually. So thanks, Chris, for the idea. I'm gonna leave it. Like, share, subscribe, drop a like the video. Hope you guys are having a good day. Here you go. Take care.